Now we will do worksheet 3 of chapter 2. Our topic is multiplication of rational numbers. In our previous worksheets we have done addition of rational number and subtraction of rational number. Now we will do the multiplication of rational number. The first question is multiply and express the result as a rational number in the standard form. Means we have to given the rational numbers and we will multiply these rationals and express the result into the standard form. Standard form means you know very well, denominator should be positive and the form should be in the simplest form. Okay. uh, After cancellation, how to solve these questions? First question is 11 by 7 multiply by minus 3 by 8. Okay, we will multiply 11 by 7 and minus 3 by 8. First, put the multiplication operation in place of by. Multiply minus 3 by 8. Since the two signs are there, so we will put the bracket in multiplication. Now, we will check that there is any common number that will cancel numerator and denominator. ओके मीन्स ऐसा कोई कॉमन नंबर जो आपका न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को कैंसिल करता है. कभी भी न्यूमरेटर न्यूमरेटर से कैंसिल नहीं होगा और डिनोमिनेटर डिनोमिनेटर से कैंसिल नहीं होगा. ऑलवेज वी विल कैंसिल न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय द कॉमन डिविजिबल नंबर. Okay, so there is no common divisible number, so we will multiply numerator with the numerator number, denominator with the denominator number. Okay, so it is 11 3s are 33. Since it is negative, minus 33 by 7 8 are 56. This is our required result. Now I am taking the third part of the first. Multiply minus 3 by 12 by minus 48. So you will put the multiplication in between and convert into the rational form. Now what is the common in between numerator and denominator that divide the numbers? Yes, you can see that 12 and 48. 12 and 12 and 12 4 48. They will be cancelled to each other. There is the common divisible number 12. Or 3 and 12. These also there are the 3 divisible common divisible that will cancel 3 and 12. आप किसी को भी कर सकते हैं. आप 3 और 12 को 3 से कैंसिल कर सकते हैं और आप 12 और 48 को 12 से कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. इज योर विश. ओके, नाउ 12 1 12 and 12 4 48. नेगेटिव मल्टीप्लाई नेगेटिव इज पॉजिटिव एंड नंबर को नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, साइन को साइन से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 3 4 12. नेगेटिव मल्टीप्लाई नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव साइन. डिवाइड में आपका 1 है, सो नो नीड टू राइट इन द डिनोमिनेटर 1. ओके, द आंसर इज 12. One more example I am taking, the fourth part of this. We will multiply minus 4 by 9 by minus 3 by 7. Okay, so 3 and 9. 3 is the common divisible number that will cancel the both. 3 1 3, 3 3 9. 7 1 7, 7 2 14. Remember once again, you will never cancel with the numerator or डिनोमिनेटर विद द डिनोमिनेटर. मीन्स आप न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से कैंसिल नहीं करेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से नहीं करेंगे. ऑलवेज न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर कैंसिल होगा बाय द कॉमन डिविजिबल नंबर. ओके, yes. Number multiply with number 2 1 2 and negative multiply negative is positive sign. In division 3 1 3. That is our result, 2 by 3. Now the question number second. For the following values of x and y, verify x multiply y and y multiply x. Can you tell me what this property, the name of this property is? Yes, the property name is commutative property. We have done this is in the addition. Commutative of addition, we already have done this property over the operation addition, and this property was verified in the addition. Now we are doing multiplication operation and we will verify this property in the multiplication also. Here x is equal to and y is equal to given the different values, and you have to verify this property. Okay, so I'm taking the one part of this. Second part of second. To verify this property, first I will take the right and the left side of this identity or property, we can say. Put the values of x minus 2 by 7 and 5 by 8. 5 by 8 multiply minus 2 by 7. Now cancel 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. 2 1 ja 2 4 ja 8. Number multiply with number 5 1 ja 5. Negative, positive, negative. 7 4 ja 28. Same is here. 5 1 ja 5. Positive, negative multiply, negative. 4 7 ja 28. The result is same. You can say that hence verified. Now we are taking the one more part of fourth part of the second. X is equal to minus 17 by 48 and y is equal to minus 96 by 51. Okay, we will verify this property. Put the values minus 17 by 48 minus 96 by 51. The same values. Value of y minus 96 by 51 multiply. थोड़ा सा आप मल्टीप्लाई और x में डिफरेंशिएट रखेंगे. मल्टीप्लाई ऐसे लगाएंगे और x थोड़ा सा कर्सिव में. ओके, put the value of x minus 17 by 48. Now cancel 17 1 ja and 17 3 ja. 48 1 ja 48 2 ja. अगर आपको 48 माइंड में नहीं आ रहा तो आप किसी स्मॉलर नंबर से पहले कट कर सकते हैं. ओके, फिर आप उसको अगेन कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. This will be 48 1 ja and 48 2 ja. 17 1 ja 17 3 ja. Negative multiply negative sign, that will be positive sign. 2 1 ja 2 by 3 1 ja 3. Now here negative multiply negative sign, positive. 2 multiply 1 2, 3 multiply 1 3. The result is same, hence you can say verified. In question number 3, we have to find the product of x multiply y multiply z and x multiply y multiply z. The name of this property is associativity law of multiplication. Okay, and we have to find the values of these two and observe the result. They are equal or not. Definitely they will be equal, because the associativity law is verified in the multiplication. So we will verify by taking the rational numbers. Okay, so first we will take the second part of the value of x is minus 7 by 11, y 4 by 5 and z 3 by 8. So first I am taking solve this. Put the value of x minus 7 by 11 and 4 by 5, y value, multiply 3 by z. This is the 3 by 8 value of z. Now solve the bracket first. There is no common number, common divisible, that will cancel in the numerator and denominator. So we will multiply the numerator with the numerator. Minus 28, 11 5s are 55. Okay, now it will be cancelled by 28 and 8 will cancel by 4. 4 2 ja 8 and 4 7 ja 28. Now multiply the remaining numbers. 7 3 ja 21. Negative multiply positive negative. 55 2 ja 100. 110. Solve the right hand side also. Minus 7 by 11 multiply 4 by 5 multiply 3 by 8. First solve the bracket. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Minus 7 by 11 multiply 3 1 ja 3 by 5 2 ja 10. Okay, now multiply the number with number. 7 3 ja 21. Negative multiply positive negative. 11 10 ja 110. The result is same. So you will write this equal to left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, similarly do all the parts of question number 3.